If you are a college student with a little to no job experience, you may be wondering, how can I make some extra money? Trust me, I have been there. It can be tough to find a job that's not only fit your schedule, but also allow you to use and develop your skills. But don't worry, with today's internet age, there are still plenty of options out there, even if you feel like you don't have any special talents or abilities. The jobs that I'm going to share with you are not short-term, quick cash type of jobs. They are something that you're going to develop and scale to a full business that you will be doing even after your college years. The first one is freelancing online. Working as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can be a great way to earn money while working on your own schedule. For those of you who have never heard of these websites are built to connect people who have specific skills with those who want to hire. They are websites that will allow you to hire and get hired by people who need your expertise in any niche. Here are some steps you can take to start working as a freelancer on these platforms. The first step is creating a profile. Start by creating a profile on Fiverr or Upwork or both of them that will showcase your skills and experience. Be sure to include a professional headshot and a clear, concise overview of your abilities and type of services that you offer. The next step is to identify your niche. Consider what specific skills and expertise you have that you can offer to your clients. It could be a specific software, a language, or an industry-specific knowledge. You can list the skills that you have, for example, writer, marketer, graphic designer, or online ad manager. Specializing in a specific niche can make it easier for potential clients to find you, and it will increase your chances of getting hired. The next step that you need to take is build your portfolio. Showcase samples of your work to potential clients. This can include writing samples, images of your design work, video of programming projects, or any other relevant material. After you've set up all of this, now it's time to find clients. Begin by bidding on the projects and submitting your proposal to potential clients. Be sure to tailor your proposal to the specific job or projects. Highlight all your skills and experience that make you best fit for that specific job. Something else that you need to consider is to communicate effectively. Once you start working on a project, it is important to stay in regular communication with the client. This will help ensure that the project stays on the track and all the issues are addressed in a timely manner. And finally, the most important one is deliver on time with quality. Make sure you deliver your work on time and up to the standards. This will give you a good feedback and it will increase the chances of you getting more projects in future. And after all of this, you need to regularly market yourself. In addition to bidding on projects, you can also market yourself on social media and other platforms to reach your potential clients. This can include setting up a personal website, starting a blog, or creating a presence on platforms like LinkedIn. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success as a freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork. Remember, the competition can be high and it may take time to build a strong reputation and a steady stream of clients. But with persistence, consistency, and hard work, you can turn your freelancing into a successful and rewarding career. If you are someone who don't have any skills and you don't know what to do on these websites, here is what you need to do. You can provide graphic design services without any previous knowledge of design using a platform like Canva. Canva is an online platform that provides thousands of graphic templates that you can use for your own projects and also for your clients' projects. Another thing that you can do, you can provide transcription services. There are a lot of AI tools that will transcribe audio for you. All you have to do is to get audio from your clients and put it on this AI, and then the AI will transcribe it for you. All you have to do now is to proofread it. Another thing that you can do is customer support. So with freelancing online, you can actually scale it to a full business. Once you get a momentum and you get a lot of clients, you can start to hire people and outsource. Your end goal should be creating your own business. The second thing that you can do as a college student is online courses. Creating an online course can be a great way to share your knowledge and skills with others. Here are a few steps you can take to get started. The first step is define your course goal and your objectives. What do you want your students to learn? What are the specific skills or knowledge that you will be teaching? Be as specific as possible. The next step is identify your target audience. Who are the people who will be taking your course? What are their needs, their interests, and their backgrounds? Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your course to their specific needs. I actually have a training on how to create an online course business in which I list everything that you need to know to create a successful online course. The link of my free training is below this video. The next step that you need to take is to plan your course content. Break down your course into smaller, manageable units or modules. For each unit, create an outline that will include the topics that you will cover, any learning objectives or outcomes, and any assignment or quizzes. And then you are going to create your course materials. This can include videos, presentations, quizzes, and any other resources that you will use to teach your course. If you are creating videos, you might need to invest on a high quality mic and a regular camera. You can use your mobile camera as well. After you prepared your course, now it's time to choose a platform to host your course. There are a lot of platforms out there. There are marketplaces like Udemy and Skillshare, and there are platforms that will allow you to host your own website and your own course website, like Thinkific, Kajabi, Teachable. What I recommend you is Kajabi. The link for Kajabi is below this video, and if you use the link below this video, you will get 30 days free trial. But again, I want you to do your own due diligence, check all the other platforms and see what is good for you. And finally, you will need to promote your course. Once you have created your course and set up your platform, it's time to start promoting it. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to let people know about your course and why they should take it. The third thing that you can do as a college student is content creation. If you have a talent or a passion to create videos, podcasts, or other types of digital media, you can offer your services as content creator. There are many ways to make money through content creation. Depending on your interests and the type of content that you're going to produce, here are some popular methods to make money through content creation. The first one is advertising. You can monetize your content by placing ads on your website or your channel. This can be done through networks like Google Ads, which will automatically place ads on your website and pay you when someone clicks on them. And by the way, Google also puts ads on your YouTube channel as well if you are going to create content for YouTube. The second way to make money as a content creator is sponsored content. Many content creators partner with brands to create sponsored content, which is a content that promotes a product or a service. This can take the form of sponsored blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Another way to make money as a content creator is affiliate marketing. If you're able to recommend products or services in your content, you can earn a commission for any sales that results from your recommendation. This is known as an affiliate marketing. Another way to make money as a content creator is selling products. You can create and sell your own physical and digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or merchandise. Another way to make money as a content creator is crowdfunding. Some creators use platforms like Patreon or Kickstart to fund their projects through donations from their supporters. And finally, as a content creator, you can make money by consulting, speaking, and other business activities. By leveraging the brand and expertise that you've built through your content, you may be able to earn money by doing consulting work, speaking engagement, or other business activities. It's also important to think about how you are going to grow your audience and promote your content. A large engaged audience can make it easier to monetize your content through the methods I listed above. Keep in mind that making money as a content creator can take time and it requires a significant investment and effort, but it can be a rewarding way to turn your passion into a career. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If you enjoyed this video and you see it valuable, share it with someone that you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.